whole focus of the curriculum is to train the students for industry, and we trust that they will be taking the challenges of the industry in future.
MFC has its USP vis-a-vis other comparative programs because it combines a lot of important elements which the industry needs, including in-depth knowledge, cross-functional integration, developing numerical skills, interpersonal skills, while at the same time not losing sight of global perspective.
Our students are able to conceptualize at an order and at a standard which is unparalleled in any other institutions in India.
It is essential for us to expose them to the international business environment. With the help of our international partners, we expose them to the global markets, global institutions, and help them in understanding how to operate in diverse cultural settings.
I think MFC has a lot of role in my being where I am.
Yes, the curriculum that was designed was clearly suited to the job. It was like very practical.
MFC as a course gives you the right kind of platform. It gives you the right kind of exposure.
The attention that we get in terms of the companies who come to recruit, the faculty members, the guest lectures is enormous, and I don't think that any other B school would afford that kind of an attention.
One thing which definitely stands out in MFC is the advanced knowledge of finance and financial management, which other MBA programs don't cover it to that extent. So that definitely gives MFC an edge. It does.
It gives a perspective in terms of a deeper understanding of financials, how a corporate balance sheet looks like, what kind of accounting treatment is done, and so on.
MFC for me is capitalizing ideas.
Excitement.
Legacy.
Opportunity.
Holistic learning.
Being enterprising.
Living on the edge.
Professionalism.
Academic excellence.